Hi friends. Today we are preparing Aloo Paratha. It is a bread dish originating from the Indian subcontinent. The recipe is one of the most popular breakfast dishes throughout western, central and northern regions of India as well as in Punjab. So let's start. First of all we will prepare a dough. For that, we will take 1 cup of wheat flour, add some ghee or butter and enough salt. Mix it with hand. And, if you are watching our videos for the first time, please consider subscribing our channel. This YouTube channel is a part of a blog which is trying to collect and preserve local traditional recipes for next generation. So each like or share you are giving will make us more confident to do more videos like this. Next, add enough water and make a soft dough. Keep it aside. Now, we will prepare some masala. For that first heat some ghee in a pan. Next, we will add chopped green chillies. 2 teaspoons of green chillies is enough. Saute it for some time. Next, we will add chopped onion. 1 medium onion is enough for this purpose. Saute it till it becomes translucent. Next, we will add 1 teaspoon chili powder. Mix well. Next, we will add some Garam Masala. If you don't like Garam Masala you can try pepper powder. Mix it well. Next we will add enough salt too. Next, we will add mashed potatoes. As you see, it's so soft as butter. I mashed it in mixer grinder. That's why it look like butter. Finally we add 1 teaspoon chopped coriander leaves. That's all. Our masala is ready. Next we will make a small ball from dough. Dust it little, flatten it with hand or roll a pin. Place a teaspoon of masala in it. Fold it and seal it well. Next, we will roll it with a rolling pin. Never press hard. The aloo paratha needs some thickness, so roll it without much pressure. Rub some ghee over the pan. Cook the bread both sides with enough ghee. If you like, rub some more ghee over the bread. Serve warm with butter or any curry you love. Hope you enjoyed our video. If so, press like and share it with your friends and relatives. See you in our next video. Thank you.